Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, network icon says no internet access, but I am connected fix. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right click run as administrator. Click yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click and expand NLASVC. Click and expand parameters. Click Internet. Right click, new DWORD 32-bit value. Type enable active probing, E, A and P are capital letters. Change value data to 1, OK. Close and exit registry editor. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.